We do have consumers and target groups who want to buy second-hand washing machines because they have understood what sustainable consumption means. They also support a social initiative because we only employ long-term unemployed people here and sometimes people with disabilities, and they also do something good for the environment.
Seit 2001, also 11 Jahre bin ich jetzt im R.U.S.Z.
My name is Aman Habib. I am electronics technic. I have here exactly 10 years.
Es ist sehr schön hier, es ist sehr kollegial, also wir halten alle zusammen, es gibt bei uns kein Mobbing oder so irgendwas, also es ist wirklich sozial und kameradschaftlich bei uns.
Ich habe so viel gelernt, das ist hier, ja.
We started a social business in 1998 when it was not possible to get serious repair services. We can repair washing machines, dishwashers, electrical stoves, TV sets, VCRs, whatsoever, even laptops, which others would not repair anymore. And this is well known to the Viennese population meanwhile. There are some member countries, some member states who are more in the crisis than others, but in the end I think also Germany and Scandinavia will come to this crisis. We have, as a so-called third sector economy, a possibility of a way out of this crisis, because social economy on the whole is defined by profit is not the priority what we have to achieve. What we have to achieve is jobs on the one hand, and environmental friendly products and services on the other hand. Repair and Service Center R.U.S.Z. was also a founding member of the European Umbrella for Social Economy enterprises active in the field of reuse and recycling. We were successful in lobbying the so-called WE directive. Without our activities, this directive would not say the reuse of whole appliances has top priority, and the Waste Framework Directive, which is even more important, now says in Article 11 that member states have to support reuse and repair networks. As we were very successful at the beginning already, we had to find partners, and this was the birth of a whole network, the so-called Repair Network Vienna, meanwhile consisting of 55 members who also follow our concept and try to make their living out of repair services and not by selling new products. Our resources are limited, and unlimited growth and limited resources don't go together. So it wouldn't be the right way to use as many resources as possible and then not care about the future.